Welcome everybody. We are here today for the third edition of our Open Factory. As you can see, I was playing with the 𝗟𝗚𝗚, the latest generation of control system by Davi. And this is an MCB machine, special one, equipped with 𝗟𝗚𝗚 and also with a side support and overhead support. Today we are going to show you the workshop where we manufacture medium and heavy duty plate rolls, so MCB 4-roll machines, MAV 3-roll with variable axis, some MCA, so small duty 4-roll machines, but also angle rolls, so MCP. You will see a lot of standard machines that we have ready for delivery, MCB, MAV, MCP and MCA. And you will also see some customized machines, so special projects that have been developed by our technical department, by our R&D department to meet the request of our clients all over the world. You can see our colleagues working today, obviously, to manufacture the machines that we keep in our inventory, so people that are preparing the machines in terms of the electrical part, the mechanical part, the hydraulic part. Obviously the machines are always tested before being delivered to the final client. Here, for example, we have a few MCP machines, so MCP angle rolls, some medium duty ones, also some very small ones. And as I said, we also have some special machines. Here, for example, we have a 4-roll MCA equipped with the 𝗟𝗚 performance that is part of the latest generation control system. It's not the 𝗟𝗚𝗚, but it's a state-of-the-art control. That is obviously a corrugated machine, so very special plate roll to solve a peculiar problem of a client. You can see, generally speaking, that we now have 𝗟𝗚𝗚 and 𝗟𝗚 performance control systems spread on all our newly manufactured 4-roll machines. So for both MCA and MCB, generally speaking, we now have this new control system. Obviously, there are clients with specific requests, but this is the control system we equip the machines with when it comes to 4 rolls. Here, for example, we have some other special machines. For example, this is a 6-meter MCB with a side support, so the length of this machine is not so usual. And here another 4-meter that is not a standard machine, and it's already packed, ready for being delivered in the next few days. So today our goal was to show this workshop where we have dozens of machines ready for delivery, and we wanted to show also a few special machines, just to let you understand that we manufacture machines for our inventory. So if you have a quite standard need in terms of rolling, you can contact us to know which machines we have ready for delivery. But you can also contact us when you have a very special project, because we have a team of engineers that can be dedicated to your project to find the best solution for your rolling needs. So for today, the company tour, our Open Factory, is over. Thank you very much for your attention and have a good day.
Let's roll your world together.